are you? Today I'm doing a Project Life spread for Scrapbook Nerd, and I'm using the Maggie Holmes Sweet Story collection, which if you saw my last video I posted for Scrapbook Nerd, you would know that I am obsessed with this collection. I didn't realize how much I would love it, and I've ordered a lot more of it. So right now I just have the thickers, the butterflies, the ephemera pack, and the paper pad. But I got a few other things, so I'm really excited to have more of this collection. And but I'm working with what I have for now until my order comes. I also am loving the Magical Forest collection right now. I know that the site has some of that as well, so you can check out for both of those collections. Not all of it is up there because when it goes up, it sells out so fast. There is a feature on the website though where you can say like, let me know when this comes back in stock, and that's how I've been able to snag more items, is because I get the email when it goes back in stock and then I order it right away. Anyway, let's talk about this spread. This is a Project Life spread that like I said, and I'm doing both sides of this. I cut out all the parts where I removed the parts of the video where I cut out the Project Life papers, just because it made the video so much longer unnecessarily. All I did was cut papers to size, which is 4x6 and 3x4, so it really wasn't anything interesting, so I hope it's okay that I cut that out. I just thought it was kind of useless and a waste of time for other people to watch that. But yeah, what I love about this collection most of all are the colors. I don't know, there's just something about this combination of colors, the pinks, the oranges and peaches and corals and salmon colors, all the pinks and pretty things is what I'm all about. So this collection is right for me. It's funny because when I started doing this, I forgot that I was doing it for a design team project, and I grabbed a few things from my stash. All I grabbed were some enamel dots that I used for this page, but then the other page I use enamel dots specifically from Scrapbook Nerd's website. And then I used, as you can see, some of those gold phrase stickers. But that's it. That's all I used from my stash because I wasn't thinking. But it all goes together so well. Yeah, and I'm obsessed also. I know I keep saying I'm obsessed, but I really am with the cut-aparts from this collection. So I got the 12x12 paper pad. I don't remember off the top of my head how many papers it comes with, but it comes with a lot, and I didn't realize when I was doing this at first, I thought there was only one cut-apart sheet, and then when I was flipping through I realized there's 3 different kinds of cut-apart sheets. So as you can see on the right hand side, I have them all there, and I cut them all out because I knew I would be more likely to use them, and I love them anyway, and so I just wanted to have them all out and ready. And then it almost felt like I had another ephemera pack, which was pretty awesome. So the actual ephemera pack is on the left of me, and the cut-aparts are on the right, and then on the left of me is also the butterflies, which are really, really pretty and super special. So yes, I am documenting 2 different pages here in my scrapbook. This is actually from, it would have been July because we celebrated my friend's daughter's birthday, Matilda. She turned 1 last July. And then top left is a picture of Andy with our other friend's baby, David. And then that top picture is I won a gift card for CJLA that was $250, and that was amazing. And then I thought I was just going to do the one side. That's why I waved my hands goodbye, but I decided to do the other side right away as well and make this video a little more complete, I guess. And I just love these papers. Look how pretty they are. The colors, oh, it's all gorgeous, and I love the cut-aparts that I could just have really, really easy papers to just slide into those empty spots. This time of year, we have a lot of raspberries in our garden, so that's why you're seeing a lot of raspberry pictures and garden photos and stuff like that. This was just, I think, one summer night, and we were taking photos out in the backyard. The only thing about this Sweet Story collection ephemera pack is that the pieces of ephemera are really, really large. So that's not surprising coming from a crepe paper Maggie Holmes collection, specifically Maggie Holmes. That's not surprising. it is expected, unfortunately, at this point, that it'll just be huge ephemera. But yeah, that's why I like having the butterflies as something different. So yeah, I will use it up eventually. It's just not the first thing to be used up, I guess. And it always has such cute tags, Maggie Holmes collections. They're always really, really cute. I had a lot of these little, what are they called? Just that strip that's at the top of the papers on the paper pad. I guess they have them too on the individual double-sided papers, the branding strips. But I had a bunch of them, and they were just so cute, and I love the colors and the patterns. I usually throw them away, which I know is wasteful, but they end up sitting around normally. But I was like, I think I could use these. I wanted to do this little banner thing that you're seeing me do here. All I'm doing is cutting strips of it and gluing it down, and you can see I did all of them there now. And so yeah, that's what I did, and I like the way it looks. You'll be able to see in a few minutes. I do actually outline them because I think it helped them be more like individual, if that makes sense, instead of all one big giant clump. So yeah, I didn't really know what I wanted to have, some kind of like title almost for this layout, which I don't always do for this spread, sorry. But I decided because I had so much space in that top card, so I just wrote or put the word beauty. Because this isn't any like super big special event. They're just fun pictures that my husband and I took outside. So it wasn't anything special or grand, just a fun summer night last summer. But I'm finally catching up on things. I know I say that every time, but I feel like I'm starting to catch up on my project life now. Hopefully by, let's say, because we're not going on any trips, obviously, this year, so it's becoming easier for me to catch up because usually trips are a lot of photos. So hopefully maybe by like the fall, I'll be caught up on 2019. That would be great. Yeah, so this is July, and I've done a couple travel albums from last year as well, so, and December daily. Anyway, this is how it turned out, and I actually decided to, last minute, to take some mist sprays from my stash and spray them on because they just go so well with this collection. But you saw a little close-up there, and there's not going to be another close-up just because there was one already, and I was too impatient to wait for it to dry. But that is the completed Project Life spread. I hope you enjoyed this, and yes, I did smudge it there a little bit, which was really annoying because I was trying so hard not to. But it happens, and that's okay. I will put all, I'll put all the links down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.